Disassembly tips. Ensure that you take the following precautions when disassembling a unit. Label each cable as you remove it, noting its position and routing. This will make replacing the cables much easier and will ensure that the cables are rerouted properly. Keep all screws with the component removed, if applicable. The screws used in each component can be of different thread sizes and lengths. Using the wrong screw in a component could damage the unit. If the unit contains light-sensitive components such as motherboard, memory module, CPU, hard disk drive, graphic card, store the component in its original ESD packaging to avoid damage. Please read the description below for more details about tools used to removal and replacement, static electricity.
Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Warning: to avoid personal injury and damage to the product, use extreme care not to puncture, twist, or crack the battery. An internal puncture or rupture to the battery has the potential to cause a short, which may result in a thermal event. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure. Removal. Disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the battery cable from the routing channel on the battery. Remove the four 4mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the battery to the top cover. Lift the rear edge of the battery off of the alignment pins on the top cover and slide it out from under the retention tabs. Replacement. Tow the battery under the retention tabs on the top cover and lower it onto the alignment pins. Replace the four 4mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the battery to the top cover. Route the battery cable through the routing channel on the battery. Connect the battery cable into its connector on the system board.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.